Napakaganda naman ito mga nasa tabi ko. Ang kukulay. Mga kapatid, pang mesa lang ba yung placemat mo? Aba, sa ating mompreneur, pangkabuhayan showcase po yan. Gamit ang kanyang talent sa painting, mas gumanda ang panglamesa, mas lumaki pa ang kita niya. Imagine po ha, 5 to 6 digits lang kada buwan. Kita tayo sa Fabric Placemats. Kasama po ang ating owner ng Her Home PH. Good morning, Hannah! Good morning, kapatid!
Hi, good morning!
Ayan, busy siya ngayon kasi pinapakitaan niya ako ng galing niya sa pagpinta. Pero syempre, eto na nga, kanina ko pa siya chinichika bago pa tayo dito humarap, diba? Kasi talagang bilib na bilib ako. Mga kapatid, tingnan niyo muna. Tingnan niyo muna kung gaano kaganda at detalye yung kanyang ginawa. Handmade po yan ha. Sa puhunan na 20,000 pesos, paano niyo po napalago itong hobby lang nung una, ngayon steady income na ha?
Yes. So I actually started in 2022 in the midst of the pandemic. Yes. So nag-start talaga ako small. So during that time, it was only a sideline because I had a corporate job back then. That's why it's 20,000. And then right now, I am doing it full-time. So starting November 2024, and now we're in Kulturan as a Makati as well.
Wow! Alam, hindi ko na kailangan sabihin na naging successful ba? Kasi ginawa mo na kang steady,
Yes,
di ba?
thank
Ginawa mo
you.
ng full-time. So, paano mo naman na-handle yung mga malaking demand ng orders? Kasi ito ginagawa mo to ilang araw, ilang weeks.
It depends on the size of the canvas as well as the design. So normally it would take several days to several weeks. So like for this one, I think this one took about a month kasi medyo detailed siya. So this one, I think it will take several days.
Okay. So paano mo nga na-handle yung mga maraming order? Kasi ikaw lang ang artist, di ba?
Yes, ako lang yung artist, and then my husband is helping me with the operations.
I love it, partners!
Yes, so kaming dalawa lang. Normally, syempre dapat you have proper forecasting. And then, especially during Burr months, because malakas siya pag Burr months. And then, as much as possible, we make sure that we're honest with our customers na kaya namin i-meet yung requirements nila.
Ay, maganda yung sinabi mo, no? Magandang tip din yan sa ating mga kapatid na gusto rin magnegosyo. Kailangan honest tayo sa ating mga customer.
Yes.
Kung kakayanin ba ng deadline, kung kakayanin ba yung ganitong kadaming klaseng order. Kaysa mangako tayo, pero hindi natin kayang tuparin, di ba? Okay, so paano po ba ginagawa itong, kunyari, meron po kayong sample dyan ngayon, for placemat. So, paano po yan?
So normally, I would start with a story or a theme, and then mag-sketch lang ako, quick sketch. And then, like for example, this is entitled In Full Bloom. So this is in relation to motherhood. So, di ba, as mothers, of course, our lives are always in full bloom. So that's why it's all flowers, floral.
Different colors,
Yes,
kasi
different
we are in
colors.
our different seasons in
Yes,
life.
exactly.
Panlalim naman ito ni Mother. Okay, so anong klaseng paint yung ginagamit mo dyan?
So I use acrylic paint.
Okay.
And then, so usually I would just paint and then ita-transfer namin siya digitally so that our supplier would be able to print it sa fabric.
Okay, so yung design ng ng gusto ng customer, pwede din ba siya magsabi sa inyo or ikaw na yung bahala as an artist?
As of now, for the placemats, we don't do customized design.
Okay.
Kasi we also have minimum order quantity with our suppliers. So right now, ako muna yung nagpo-provide ng design.
Okay. Alright, ngayon mahilig kasi talaga ako sa mga tablescape, yung lalo na pag may mga bisita sa bahay, 'di ba? At syempre importante dito yung mga placemat. Pero of course, paano mo pangangalagaan yung mga ganitong klaseng placemat? Kasi ito, cloth siya, tapos hand-painted pa siya.
Normally, we would suggest hand wash, but we both tried naman hand washing and then washing machine. Both okay. But just to give it a little bit more extra care, we suggest hand washing.
Hand wash. Tsaka para hindi mag-fade agad yung color niya, no? Andun pa rin
para
yung
mas maingatan
vibrance.
lang.
Okay. May mga, yun nga, sabi nga natin, hindi pa siya pwede ng personalized, di ba? Okay, so ilan araw po yung lead time for a customer para makuha po niya yung kanyang order?
Normally naman, these are on hand. So, if ever they would place an order sa Instagram, they would be able to receive it within the week.
Okay din naman pala. So, okay. So, itong isang box na to, ilang placemat?
So we have sets of 4, 8, and then 12. So a set of 4 is 1,600.
Okay.
And then set of 8 is 3,000 pesos. And
Okay.
set of 12 is 4,000 pesos.
Ayun. So, para doon sa ating mga kapatid na gustong, di ba, itry ito, bumili,
Yes.
lalo na ngayon, magpapasko na, usong-uso na ngayon yung regaluhan, di ba? Saan nila po kayo pwede makontak?
So you can definitely check us out on Instagram, so at her.homeph, or you can actually see us also in Kultura in SM Makati.
Ayun. Naku, napakaganda ng story mo talaga, Ma'am
Thank
Hana,
you.
di ba?
Thank you very
From
much.
having it sa sideline ngayon, full-blown, di ba, entrepreneur ka na, at nasa-showcase mo pa ang iyong talento sa pagpinta, di ba? Ito ay also pagmamahal, di ba, sa gawaing lokal, di
Yes,
ba?
of
Sa gawang
course.
lokal. Maraming salamat sa
Thank you
pagbisita
very
sa
much.
amin.
Thank you.
Talaga naman, kahit sino po, pwedeng magnegosyo para lahat tayo. Kita tayo. Mga kapatid, Angela Lagunsad Castro po para sa komprehensibo at makabuluhang balitaan at talakayan. Mag-follow at subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.